Morning everyone. This is S. Chandra Rakesh Roshan here. I work as assistant professor at RGKT IIIT Basel, Telangana. Welcome you all to this session on Microsoft OneLens. It's a free tool. Microsoft Office OneLens is like a scanner in your pocket. I would say much more than that. So one can scan, printouts, or handouts or any important notes, or you can, copy it, take a snap of your whiteboard, cards, etc. You can also convert images to PDF, Word, and PPT files, and you can also store all of these to OneDrive. So now let us get to know more details about this. So for this, let me now go to my mobile, and so now go to Play Store. As you can see now here, so you can type Microsoft OneLens. Now the moment I type Microsoft OneLens, you can see here Microsoft Office Lens PDF Scanner. So let me click on that. Now you can see, so you can install it. I've already installed it. So let me open that. Now the moment I open it, so this is the OneLens home thing. Now there are different modes, as you can see here: whiteboard, document, business card, photo. So what I'll do is, it's a document, right? So let me put it in the document mode. Now you can see it is auto detecting, okay, the area that needs to be scanned, as shown by the red color there. Let me click that. Now you can see that it has come up, but I'm not, it's not satisfactory. So I'll just go back. I'll discard this, and then I'll, do it again. So now, okay, it's fine. So now I'll just save it. So done. And you can see here, so you can save it as whatever. So chapter 1, reading material 2, something like that. I mean, you can save it as per your will and wish. Now you can see different formats here. So one is the gallery, PDF, OneNote. So let us say I want this to look like a photo, or you want to save it as a PDF. Now you can do that. So you simply say save, it would save that. Now you can see this is the photograph, and this is a PDF file. So now it can show you the PDF file. Okay. So let me go to the next one. So now let me open one more. So now let me put it as photo now, because I want to show. Let us assume that it's a photograph. Now you can focus it manually. Now you can see this green one. I'm putting it manually, or you can do the other one, automatic focusing. Anything you will do. Let me take a pic of that. And here you can crop it. Now this is the crop tool, top second. Now I can crop it manually. You can see I'm cropping it. Now you can see I'm cropping it, whatever is necessary. I'm just putting it, and then I'll say confirm here. So you can see here, and there are a few filters available here. Now you can see auto, sepia. There are different things. I mean, so grayscale, pure white and black. I mean, whichever thing you want, you can save it. So let me put it in the, let me not use anything here. So now on this, I can also scribble something. Now you don't want all of this. You only want to highlight what is important here. So maybe I can use a tool here. Now I'll just say, okay, this is important for me, so I'll just highlight this area. Or there is some, let us say there is some important point here, I'll just highlight this area. So you can do that. You can also write something if you want. Okay, so background, no background, so I'll just say it's something like this, good tool, and then you can put it wherever you want. Okay, so you can, so yeah, so you can put it wherever you want. So but I don't want it to look like this. So yeah, this is fine for me, and I'll just put it here. And then once again, you can add more pages to it. So add new is there to the left here. So you can just click on that. You can add more pages, but right now it's okay. I'm okay with one page. So, and then you can save this. Okay. So the next one would be, I can do the same with cards also. So what I'll do is, maybe I'll take a card right now, and then you can just scan the card. So now, because generally cards, you don't want to keep them, you don't want to have them, you don't have a collection of them, you don't want to have a collection of them. So you can just simply scan it, and then put it, put the copy of this. Once again, you can crop it. So save features that we have seen, you can just crop it, and yeah, and you can rotate it. You can see this here, you can rotate it, and as I've said, you can highlight things here also. Okay, so done. And once again, you can save it in different formats and you can name them. Now there's one more feature here. You can see here, immersive reader. So I'll click on that. Now what it will do is it will read out the text, from that particular thing. Now you can see it for yourself here. Let me click that.
S. Chandrakesh Roshan, M.Tech. Assistant Professor. Faculty in charge, training and...
Now you can see this was the content, that was there, on our, on the, card, you can see. So that just reading out what is there. So that's the beauty of immersive reader. Now, another thing what I want to do is, I want to, let us say, I have a document with me. So let me have the document. And this is one more beautiful aspect of this tool. So let us say I have the document. Now let me scan this document. And so let me scan it. And so let me say done. It looks okay. Now what I'll do is, you can see here, I'll uncheck all of this. I'll click this Word document. You can, at the same time, you can save in other formats also, doesn't matter. I'll say Word document, and you can also save it to my OneNote. We also talked about OneNote, right? Or you can save it to your OneDrive also. So now let me save it to all of this. So we'll concentrate on this Word OCR document. So let me save it. So now it is saving all the different types that we wanted to save. Now let me open the Word document. There is something very interesting that comes up. Now the picture that you have taken, it's called as OCR, optical character recognition. So what it does is, all the content is now editable. I mean, that's the beauty of it. So all of that we have seen, you can now edit it. See, so I think unless the scanning is not good or something like that, it would give you all the content that is available. Now this is the beauteous, this is the best part of it. So you can extract, the text from these images. So, or other one, you can do the same with any picture also. For example, let me just go back. Let me just go back and then probably show you. So this is a picture that's available, and you can see there is some content written on that. So I'll just scan it. So maybe I'll just put document so that it will auto check, auto scan that. Now, yeah. Now it has taken it. So now let me say done. And once again, let me save it as a gallery PDF. So JPG and PDF, and let me also put a Word and then see what happens. So once again, this is the normal picture that you have saved. That looks good, and it also saves as a PDF. Now let me show you the Word document. It's a OCR document, optical character recognition. So whatever text is there on it, so it comes up here. So you can see. Okay. So all of that, and below that in the same Word document, you can see the document that's there. Okay. So this, you can see the document that is there. So the text that's available, is captured here, and the document itself. And what else can we do? As we said, as we have seen, you can save all of this to your OneNote. So that's very beautiful. So there's one more thing, whiteboard. So what it does is, you capture a picture, and then you can see the background contrast. It will save automatically. So let me crop it. Let me just crop it manually, and yeah. So let me crop it here, and then let me say confirm. Now it's done. So you can save it to your gallery PDF, and yeah, you can save it to your PowerPoint also, and you can rename it. So now, as I have said, it automatically syncs with your OneNote and OneDrive. So you just go back to your OneNote and OneDrive, and then you can recover. You can see that all of this data is available, readily to you. Now, this is the beauty of this Microsoft Office Lens. Now, as you have seen, we can take a quick copy of the printout. You can convert it to PDF or keep it as image itself, or you can also extract the text from the document, as you have seen, using this OCR mechanism. So it's very simple. It's just point and shoot mechanism. You just point towards the document and then you shoot it, and that's it. And you also have this immersive reader. So I would say that that's a very versatile tool that's available. And so this is all about Microsoft Office OneLens. So thank you for your time. So I'm sure you would have enjoyed this session. So stay home, stay safe. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.